Today, take a look at the vacuum sealer. Appears to be a couple rubber seals. We got our instructions, and it does come with a sample of the sealing bags. So here is the vacuum sealer. We do have an option for moist, so if we're going to be putting things like steaks or something in there, we can use that. We also have a dry option. We have just seal. We have an option to attach this to a vacuum sealing canister, pulse mode, and stop. Oh, look at that. So this actually comes with a ton of this sealing material. We have a blade to cut the bag, and then we have our sealing element here on the front. So it appears this is what that seal is. So this is a drip tray. So if you are going to be sealing up wet items, as it's going to be vacuuming out the air, it might be dripping out some of the juices into that tray. So that's nice. I like that they did that, and then they provided these extra seals. We have our power cable, and we have our tube for attaching to sealing canisters. So you can see this is basically just a two-piece material. So we need to first make a seal. So let's pull these rubber protectors off, plug in power. So just lay the bag on there, try to get nice and straight. Push down until you hear a click, and hit seal. There's two buttons on the sides. That'll release it. And we have got our seal. So now we can put it under our cutter and drag the blade. So now we have got our custom sized bag. So now, got some almonds in there. It's probably a much larger of a bag than I need for this. But I'm going to drop the bag into the chamber. Click it down. And because this is dry goods, I'm just going to hit dry. So there we go. We are vacuum packed and sealed at the top. So that is pretty awesome. So overall, if you're looking for a vacuum sealer with a lot of functionality, that is going to be an excellent choice.